Welcome back, viewers. In today's video, we are going to see how to add the backports repo of Ubuntu to Pop OS. So since Pop OS 22.04 is based on the Ubuntu 22.04 LTS, you can add the backports repo of Ubuntu to Pop OS. It will work. So you have to open your terminal and you have to issue this command. So this is the command. So add apt repository deb http apt.popos.org/ubuntu into bracket lsb underscore release space dash cs bracket complete space dash backports main multiverse restricted universe. So these three multiverse, restricted and universe will be added with the backports repo. So this is the subdivision. So there will be some multiverse applications, some restricted applications, and some universal applications that are available in the backports repo. So all those will be available for you once you issue this command, execute the command, and reboot your system. So it will not run without the sudo command. So first I tried to run without the sudo command. It will not run. So you have to give your sudo command. So you have to add sudo to the command and then it will work. So here you can see it is now adding the backports repository to Pop OS, and you have to press enter or Control C to cancel, or you can press enter to continue with the addition of the backports repository. And then it will show certain warnings. So you have to ignore the warnings and it will be installed. So that backports repo will be installed on your system. You have to just reboot and then you can do the sudo apt update. You can do the update. So during the update, the new application packages from the backports will be available for the update, and also you can search for the latest applications that are available in the backports repository for installation. Thank you. See you in the next video. Bye bye.